To set up parental controls on Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter parental controls right here, and then you need to find set up parental controls pin. If you click on it, you'll be able to set up your pin. If there's any problem that will show up where you cannot use parental control pin, I would recommend to watch my video. I will try to link it on how to fix that issue, so make sure to watch it and then go back to this video. So here we can create our parental control pin for this device. We can click on the next step and enter a pin that we want to use for it. When we have our pin created, we need to add our Google account for recovery, or we can skip it for now. So it's your decision. If you want to add that recovery option, you can. If not, click on skip for now. And after that, our parental controls are already set up. We can then change and adjust all of the settings. So we can set up a specific daily limit of usage on this phone. You can activate it and then enter your parental controls pin and adjust it for each day of the week for how long your phone will be operational. Then there's app limits. You can also add which apps you can use for how long, and then you can put it on no time limit or set time limit and then specify for how long you can use this app. And then there's the app limits again. You can change it for different apps. And then there's the downtime. You can activate the downtime where your phone will basically lock during those specific times, and somebody else will need to know the pin to unlock it. So you can change the time range however you like. And there's also App Store filters. You can go for Google Play Store and then allow specific PEG settings and specific books that can or cannot be used. Then there's web content filters. You can block explicit sites, and with one app, in this case the Google app, we can block specific websites and specific search results as well. And I think that is everything. We can also manage our parental controls pin. We can add recovery info that we skipped previously. We can delete and turn it off, or change the pin as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.